Hi, this is Rob McCarthy with SkipperBud's at McRae Harbor. Today we're taking a look at this 2019 E255 Crownline. The boat has about 100 hours. Oil was just changed this spring. There's a ton of storage on this boat. Almost every seat has a storage capacity underneath it. There's very deep storage here under the floor and storage up forward. Again, the boat has about 100 hours on it. And as you can see, in the fall of 2024, it is out of the water for easy inspection. Again, it's Rob McCarthy with SkipperBud's at McRae Harbor and Belmare Harbor in Harrison Township, Michigan.